Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to mute hashtags on the X app, also known as Twitter, right from your PC using the latest 2025 update. If you're tired of seeing certain topics on your feed, this quick guide will help you take control of what shows up when you scroll. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your desktop or laptop. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Once the homepage loads, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Next, click on the icon that says More. This will open a small drop-down menu filled with extra settings and tools. From there, go ahead and choose Settings and Privacy. Once that page opens, select Privacy and Safety. This is where you'll find all the options to manage what you see and what others can see from you. Now, inside the Privacy and Safety section, scroll until you find Mute and Block. Click on that to continue. This tab controls how you manage content you want to avoid, from accounts to specific words or hashtags. The next step is to go into muted words. This is where you can silence particular topics or trends that you'd rather skip. Look for the plus icon, usually near the top right corner of the page, and click it to add a new muted element. Here, type the hashtag you want to mute. Make sure to include the hashtag symbol before the word or phrase. For example, if you're muting hashtag sports, type exactly that. Then, fill in the options below. You can choose where you want the mute to apply, like your home timeline or notifications, and for how long, whether permanently or for a specific duration. Once everything looks right, simply click Save, and that's it. You've successfully muted a hashtag on X. From now on, posts with that tag will quietly disappear from your feed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.